You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, the name of the inhabitants of Monaco, the kingdom in the south of France. How do you say more vocabulary from French? Stay tuned. Monegasque is how it's said in French, French being the official language there. Monegasque, you could say it. Monegasque. Yes, it has money in it, of course. Monegasque from French, Monegasque. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.